Salam Amharic students, welcome back to your Amharic journey. In today's journey, we will look at a new Amharic alphabet. The new alphabet we are going to look at today is this one. It has the exact same pronunciation as the first one. The difference here is that it's called Hamaruha, and the first one is called Halletauha. So we will first look at how to pronounce it. We will give examples and we will conclude our lesson. The first alphabet we pronounce like ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Now that we have finished looking at how to pronounce them, we will move on and see how to write them and give examples. The way we write the first one is like this. We pronounce it like ha, and the example we will give is Hasset. Which means a lie. The next one is pronounced like hu, and it is written like The example we are going to look at is huneta. It means condition or situation. The next one we pronounce it like he, and we write it like this. The example we will look at is hisab. Hisab. It means mathematics. And it also means a bill that you pay. Especially in a restaurant, hotel, or cafeteria. The next alphabet is pronounced like ha and is written like An example here can be Habesha, Habesha. And it is a name of a group of people. The next one is pronounced like he. And the example we look here is a female name. Helen, Helen, Helen. The next one is pronounced like he and is written like this. The example we look here is Hebrat, Hebrat. Hebrat, Hebrat. It means unity, unity. The last one we will look at today is pronounced like ho, ho. It's almost like this one, except it is the first leg that's longer in this case. And in this case, the last leg is longer. And here it is shorter. And we will look at the same example as we did last time. Hod, Hod. And we wrote it like this last time. The way you pronounce it is Hod like this. We said it meant stomach. So Amharic students, we have finished our lesson. I'm sure you have learned something useful. Next time, we will look at a new alphabet. You will find the links to the exercises and to the website that has all the Amharic alphabets listed. Thank you for listening and see you very soon.